Hey guys, it is me, PJ Pikachu, and today we are going to be playing a Henry Stickmin fan game called Surviving the SnowStorm. So, this is a thank you thing, I guess. But, alright, so, there's, like, the, endings and stuff and, like, the achievements. So let's try and get all of those. Alright, so this is made in Scratch, by the way. Alright. This is really well animated. Alright, let's do the radio transmitter. Let's try doing them all in order, maybe. That didn't work. Alright, the top hat clan. Of course. Wait, no, that's the same exact thing as the top hat clan. Of course it isn't gonna work. Okay. How about, I really want to see what Cheese does, because I'm pretty sure Cheese is in other Henry Stickmin games and it's useless, so. Yep, it's useless here also. Let's try Warm Jacket. What? But he, okay. Now let's load save. Oh, our save was the beginning of the game. Oh. Okay. Teleporter. Maybe it'll work this time. Let's try the bomb. Great job, Henry. Alright, let's try the music box. Dang it. Alright, go deeper. Oh no. Come on, Henry. Yay! Alright, another gift. Let's see what this does. Great. So that's all the fails. So that means that the binoculars have to be it. Running. Alright, so there's one more, and it's get jump scared by Henry, and it says surprise. So maybe we have to click Henry. I'm assuming like for I don't remember what it was, but I'll tell you what it is. So the music box. Click on Henry. And nothing happened. Wait, it says surprise there. So if we click that, good. All right. So, that's how you 100% complete Surviving the SnowStorm, I guess. Yeah. Support this game and show it some love. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.